Welcome back. I'm Dash with Sewing in a Dash, and this is episode 9, guys. We're almost at 10. Now today is the first day of fall, so guess what I'm making? A coat. Now we don't always get the coolest fall because of climate change. We're gonna pray for that, but we're gonna stay prepared. So let's get into these fabrics.
It's time to pick the fabric.
So today we have 3 fabrics. We have this fabric striped with green, gray, and black. And this one has accents of olive, lime. We even have some orange in here. And this one is a striped velvet, and it shines really nice. And the winner is B. Now let's see what I can do with this.
It's time to sketch. It's time to cut and sew.
Yes, Mackenzie.
Did it choose that fabric?
Okay.
That fabric?
Yes, this fabric.
They know what it's for, right?
Yes.
That.
I just want you to know I have that recorded and you're on live talking about that fabric.
It's fine with that.
Let's see how long I want it. I think I want it to go like to my calf. Okay. I would definitely want the lapel to come lower this time. I want it to be like here. Measure around the arm to see how big I need to make it. How big I need to make the armhole. Today I am making a coat, because today is the first day of fall. So right now I am sewing the collar. I mean, sewing in a dash take long, or really take me that long? Not that long. See, for me, the biggest part of any process when it comes to sewing is the actual preparation. Now they say preparation is key. It is, and sometimes it takes longer than you expect or you want it to. This episode, I think this will match. How perfect is that? How about that 9 episodes ago? I wish I prepared myself enough, but I'm going to use this for my belt, for the back of my belt. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Okay, perfect. Okay, cool. I just made this belt real quick. This is really fast. I just used a piece of leather, folded the ends of the fabric, and put the leather on top and sewed it. Now we're going to punch a hole into it. We're going to go to the largest hole we have. I want this to be able to go like right here. Okay, so we'll put the hole here in the center.
It's time to show you my creation.
Look at this coat with a pant. Look at this coat with a dress. Yes. Thank you so much for helping me. And until next week, please follow, like, and subscribe.